That's my blue wall. I had to take some pic of the blue wall. Again the blue wall. So I've changed my clothes, and these checkered ones have been sent by my dear sister from America, Amazon. So it's a nice shirt, comfortable shirt, and I completed my bank work, and I'm just rushing. It's already 12:30. I'm rushing to see my patient at the hospital, and there comes my very close friend Lata. She's all the time speaking on the phone and very busy. I think she must have left her child to the school. Okay, so I'm just leaving. अब तो कॉल सोसाइटी के मेरे को बैंक जाना था, बैंक का काम कर आ गई, वो हो गया. एंड समथिंग अबाउट द कंप्यूटर आई हैड टू सॉर्ट आउट, दैट आई सॉर्टेड आउट. क्लोथ्स का कुछ सॉर्ट आउट करना था, वो सॉर्ट आउट किया. अब मैं चली हूँ अपने हॉस्पिटल की तरफ. सो नाउ हियर आर द, आई डोंट वांट टू, एंड द सेम ओवर हियर, यू सी दिस, एंड दिस इज द आम का ट्री. नो आम डाउन. जब शुरू में आम आया था, जब आम का सीज़न आया था, तो आम नीचे ना गिरे पड़े रहते थे. मतलब बैट्स एंड ऑल यूज टू ईट द आम एंड throw it down. The best of the fruits are eaten by the animals and the birds here. Okay, so what a lovely breeze. It's a beautiful breeze here. Okay, I wanted to cover other people, and I'm just 5 minutes out हुआ है. बालाजी का मंदिर तो अभी बंद हो चुका होगा. The bank people were quite helpful, and they reminded me that I had not collected a document. So I'm the one who sits on their head and eats their head about the document. But this time they are the one who reminded me, madam, आपने लिया नहीं. And usually I'll end up in the time of oh, what is this? ऊपर से सब कचरा गिर रहा है, माटी. Again, I'm walking on the wrong side of the road. I'm not supposed to walk on this side of the road, and so I shall cross the road this time, because it's very difficult to cross the road. Okay, so usually I'll end up in their when they're eating their lunch, poor thing, and I should respect their lunch hour, and they are very strict about the lunch hour. They will not look at you at all. आधा घंटा, मतलब बाइक क्लॉक, आधा घंटा वो लोग खाने को बैठते हैं, बाइक क्लॉक, एंड नो वन कैन डिस्टर्ब देम. दे विल नॉट लुक एट यू. एंड बदकिस्मती से मैं उसी समय पहुंच जाती हूँ. इस बार तो मैं जल्दी चली गई ताकि मेरा काम हो जाए, तो काम हो गया. बट दैट्स वेरी गुड. नॉट अ मिनट बियॉन्ड द लंच आवर दे सिट देयर. सो ये हो गया. अब चली मैं वहाँ पर, अब मैं टाइम पर पहुँच जाऊँ, ज़्यादा पेशेंट को वेट ना कराऊँ मैं. Though I've already seen the reports, I just have to counsel them. This is another beautiful colony over here. It looks like a replica of my colony. See this. Okay, so I'm just moving around. Traffic क्या हाल ये है. Monday blues. Oh, I hate that word called Monday blues. There's nothing like Monday blues. This blue is my favorite color. Okay. अरे बिजली का बिल, अरे बहुत आया जा रही है. स्ट्रीट लाइट इज ऑन. Who pays for this? Okay, the roads are still not made. अभी रोड कब मेड होगा क्या पता. कब तक हम ऐसे ऐसे रोड पे चलते रहेंगे. इंडिया, we have to have good roads. Is it oh, the roads are bad because of the cars or what? Because abroad so many cars are there, but the roads are never bad. Look at our roads. Why are our roads like that? Why can't they be as smooth as a smooth road? Oh, beautiful. And it will happen, but it will happen in another 20 years. Balaji, Govinda, Govinda, पट बंद है. Govinda, 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 Balaji, Balaji. That was Govinda, Govinda. That was तिरुपति के बालाजी. उनको प्रणाम किया. पट बंद हो गया, 12 बजे के ऊपर हो गया. I think it's 12:30. I'm really running late. But friends, I'm walking on the right side of the road this time. Okay, I'm now preaching. I'm practicing what I'm preaching. दूर एक आदमी खड़ा है, पता नहीं क्या निकाल रहा है. पेड़ कटिंग चालू है क्या लगता है. I think they're broadening the road. because it becomes a bottleneck at some time. I'm so thirsty. I wish someone would give me water. Okay, people are just looking at me while I'm talking. And here's the Baskin Robbins, where I have to come here and check out the Baskin Robbins and the flavors. बहुत दिन से मन कर रहा था Baskin Robbins खाने का. अभी तो वक्त ये नहीं है Baskin Robbins खाने का. अब वक्त है पहले अपना काम करने का. ये ऊपर कुछ काम चालू है, देखिए. हाँ, अच्छा, लाइट पोल. दैट्स वाई लाइट ऑन करके रखा था. समथिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रीट लाइट ठीक नहीं है शायद उसके लिए. कितने सारे प्रोफेशन होते हैं ना जगह. नथिंग कैन वर्क आउट विदाउट एनीथिंग. इवन स्मॉलेस्ट जॉब के लिए वी रिक्वायर पीपल. Everyone can get a job of something. Everyone can be skilled. Everyone should be skilled. Skill is the word, is the mantra for it. Okay. Now I'm going from here. This light might not be working. I don't know. I think this light was not working, and that's why that light they have kept on. क्या लाइट नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ का? उधर का भी लाइट ऑन है. ऑन करके रखा है इसके लिए. That's the reason they have switched it on, because they are लाइट का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था इसके लिए. So well done. It's my mistake. And this is the famous Guru Kripa, where we order our food from. Not me, my mummy papa, and my mummy papa love the food from here. Mysore masala. I've never loved lot of green vegetables. The green vegetables have to be washed properly, or else Lakshmi Narayan ki jai. Or else you have cysticercosis, a disease called cysticercosis. Please read about it. All green vegetables, salad and non-veg, please wash and cook properly. Okay, this rainy season you can get cysticercosis, which are the eggs of the parasite which can go and settle in your brain and can give you convulsions. Okay, I keep on telling you that so that you remember. अभी यहाँ पर तो सब, यहाँ पर ये शॉप इज़ वेरी फेमस. इसमें क्या करते हैं, बचपन से ये शॉप देखती आ रही हूँ. ये शॉप में क्या करते हैं, कोका कोला लेते हैं और उसमें मसाला डालते हैं. तो मसाला कोका कोला, एंड पीपल लव दैट masala soda. When we were young, we used to come. I have taken once or twice. I don't drink now. I don't drink carbonated water, Pepsi or whatever, Sprite and all. I only take plain. The bikes everywhere. Idhar and idhar bikes. It is a country of bikes. I think Thailand भी ऐसा ही होगा. बाइक पे ही चलते होंगे. So now I used to have Usha used to come to cook at my house. She was an ace cook. Now she's like a family member. उसने भी बाद में बाइक सीख लिया, क्योंकि आना जाना उसको भी भारी पड़ रहा था, लेकिन she learned it very well. और ये रहे हमारे फ्रूट का बाज़ार. देख लीजिए, चेरीज आए हुए हैं. I think Akanksha loves cherries, so maybe I'll buy cherry. गौ माता है ये, प्रणाम. गौ माता को हम प्रणाम करते हैं. So another गौ माता is also our business in India, and this is a good fresh local namkeen you get over here. This is the market, which is also very famous. People come here, but I think it is costlier than other market. Okay, I'm crossing the road. This is the market I used to buy when my daughter was young. I used to buy from these markets fruits and vegetables. यहाँ पर गाड़ी रुका के मैं फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स खूब लेती थी व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो टू वर्क. अब तो हमारे कॉलोनी में ही आ जाता है, तो हम लोग को अलसा जाते हैं. ऑल ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स हियर, ब्यूटीफुल वेजिटेबल्स. सो यू कैन बाय एवरीथिंग हियर, बट यू नीड अ कार और समथिंग टू टेक इट. यू टेक इट होलसेल. हमारे तो कॉलोनी में आ जाता है तो हमको कोई तकलीफ नहीं होती. कॉलोनी में आ जाता है तो शुरुआत में सबसे पहले हमारे ही कॉलोनी में आता है, फिर बाद में बाहर जाता है. जस्ट इमेजिन, once I caught Sonu, the vegetable vendor. I was taking my walk and I caught him outside the colony at very early because I used to go for walk, and I was saying, अच्छा तुम अच्छा वाला यहाँ पहले दे देते हो, फिर तुम हमारे यहाँ आते हो. बोला नहीं दीदी, तभी अच्छा होता है. ओके, आई एम जस्ट नियरिंग माई. आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपको भी मेरी ज़िंदगी देख के अच्छी लगनी चाहिए. और यहाँ पर छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग हैं जो बहुत खुश दिख रहे हैं. अभी तक इनको पता नहीं ज़िंदगी क्या है. And it was very sad to read about one IIT guy committing suicide, and someone at Kota who is giving NEET कोटा में पता नहीं क्या डॉक्टर बनने के नहीं होता है तो ज़बरदस्ती वो काम नहीं करना चाहिए. कोटा में one guy has committed suicide because of the pressure of NEET exams. I think so. That's what I read today. Or it can be, maybe it is written NEET. Maybe there might be many other circumstantial problems. We don't know, right? But पढ़ाई का तो है ही problem. Oh God, this road is so crowded, man. Just imagine, it's like sea of people and sea of this is the traffic over here. No wonder this road needs broadening. There should be cable cars, you know, ऊपर की तरफ कि ऊपर से बैठ के हम लोग केबल कार इधर से उधर फटाफट पहुंच जाए. ऐसा भी होना चाहिए. बाद में why not use cable cars like in mountain area they use cable cars. Why leave that too? That we can do. Now there दूसरा बड़ा आने वाला है बाबा. ये वाला भी क्रॉस करना तो माशाल्लाह कोई मुझे अगर ये हिले नहीं तो वो भी हिलेगा नहीं. एक मिनट, आई एम क्रॉसिंग द रोड. Okay, hold on. Thank you so much. Thank you. और ये हमारी गौ माता को प्रणाम करती हूँ. Crossed. It is so tiring mentally. You have to. It is strategical. It's called strategical crossing of roads. So I've learned the strategy. This is the girl who was so scared of crossing roads because I was in Brussels. I had studied in Brussels and Brussels are like, you know, you have to, it's signal and you have that button. अभी यहाँ भी चालू हो जाता है कि जब एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को क्रॉस करना तो बटन दबा देता है तो गाड़ी रुक जाती है. द ह्यूमन फ्रेंडली टाइप. यहाँ तो अब देखिए, यहाँ वी आर जगलिंग डांसिंग, बैले डांसिंग विद द बाइकर्स. Okay, then that's so tiring. But then that's a good conditional exercise, I guess. Okay, why go to the gym, yaar? You can do so much conditional exercise over here. This is a very famous shop over here. अंदर जाते ही आपको हर चीज़ टेस्ट करवाया जाता है. आपका लंच डिनर उधर ही ख़त्म हो जाता है. खरीदो नहीं खरीदो बेचारे, ये भी खाइए, टेस्ट कीजिए, वो टेस्ट कीजिए. लगता है गणपति का पंडाल बनना चालू हो गया है. लगता है शायद ढका हुआ है यहाँ पर पंडाल. शायद पंडाल बनेगा. एंड देयर इज अ पिजन रूफ over there. Can you see that? I don't know whether you can see. See, that's a pigeon roof. So many pigeons. That's supposed to be a school. Now I think दूसरा पड़ाव ये another challenge is crossing this road. Okay, I am halfway. Thank you so much. Halfway through. Now everyone will come. They have 2 ways to go and I have no way to go. Okay, so I can cross here. चलो भैया. Okay, चलो ये भी पड़ाव क्रॉस हो गया. Okay. So this is a life in metro. याद है ना, life in metro. Now I'm entering the gully of lovers and youngsters who are taking a break from the classes and chatting and discussing away from their parents, and that is their moment. So under the tree गुजर कर रहे हैं. After time they don't talk, they're just quiet, standing quietly. I wonder what type of conversation is going on. Very strange, but anyways, it's rejuvenating. It's nice to see them. Okay, चलिए अब I'm entering the lovers lane, and the lane of youngsters, the collegians. So here I am. Okay, and the garden where people come to. Garden with a gazebo where people take a break. I can hear some drums from somewhere. I don't know what drums are going on. Oh, I don't see any couples here. No couples. There's some drum going on. Someone is putting light on me. Oh, there's a music system over there. So, juggling with the bikers. This is going to be the name of my video today. Juggling with the bikers. Okay, I have reached one more padav of crossing a difficult road. Here also people don't stop, and then I am through. Here.